I just made these UGC ads in less than 10 minutes using AI. All I did was ask Claude for a prompt and run it through Seedance 2.0. Have a look.
I take this thing everywhere now. Hotels, the office, camping. It makes better espresso than most coffee shops and it fits in my bag.
Videos like these would normally cost you around $1,000 in influencer fees, 2 to 4 weeks of back and forth between shipping, filming, and revision requests. And that's not even counting the cost of the product itself. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways to create realistic AI UGC ads, each one more powerful than the last. And by the end, you'll be able to make ads like these for any product that you want. So the first method is prompt to video. And for that, I'm going to use the latest AI model called Seedance 2.0. This model is available on Max Fusion, which is the platform I'll be using today. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to follow along. As soon as you log in, just click New Project, and right below, you'll be able to start generating your ads. So let's select videos and choose Seedance 2.0. I'm going with 9:16 vertical format for 15 seconds, perfect for TikTok and Reels style content. So the first video I'm going to generate is Get Ready With Me style for a skincare serum. And the second one is going to be a testimonial style for a moisturizer. But before I type anything into Max Fusion, I need to come up with some hooks. And this is important because using lazy prompts like a woman talking about skincare is just going to waste your credits. So this is where I'm going to use Claude and then type in this prompt. I leave all of the prompts I used throughout this video linked in the description. Just swap out a few words depending on your niche, product, and target audience. Now, I just need one final prompt for the UGC scene. To generate it, I use this prompt inside Claude. You can use this exact prompt for your own niche, just customize it to your own product and style. I just need to drop this prompt into Max Fusion, pick one of the hooks generated by Claude, and insert it here in the brackets.
So my dermatologist actually asked me what I changed in my routine. Like, she noticed I've only been using one new thing for maybe a month, and even she was like, what are you doing differently? It's this serum. That's it.
And this came out pretty great for a text prompt alone. The pacing, the natural pauses, the way she holds the product, it just looks very realistic. And this is where Seedance 2.0 really shines, the lip sync and consistency from start to finish. And if you want to place your own actual product in the model's hands, just describe it in your prompt and add a reference image of your product before generating. Now, for the next video, I want a more authentic testimonial style for a moisturizer. So let's go back to Claude with a new prompt to generate some hooks. Now let's drop the prompt into Max Fusion and pick one of the hooks to insert into the brackets.
I have this thing where foundation just slides off my nose by lunch every single day. I stopped changing foundations and changed my moisturizer instead. It's been a month and my makeup literally does not move. I keep checking and it's just still there.
And this looks amazing. The natural pauses, the authentic expressions, the way it feels like someone genuinely filmed this on their phone. That's exactly what we want for our UGC videos. And just to show you how powerful the Seedance 2.0 model really is, I went ahead and generated 3 different videos for 3 different products with different actors. You can see the exact prompts on the screen that I used, which I created using Claude, and you'll be able to find all of these prompts in the description. But what if I want the same character across different scenes, different locations with different outfits? That's where most people get stuck, because getting the same looking face across multiple different scenes is very difficult. So let me show you how to fix that. All right, so let's say we want the model from this video to appear in different scenes without losing consistency. Let's open this video, click on extract frame and select a frame where the model's face is clearly visible. Click send to and save to images. I'm going to repeat this process and grab a few more frames. Now let's go to images at the top section here, select create image and then select Nano Banana 2. To achieve maximum consistency, drag and drop all of the reference images here. Now we just need to add a prompt to make this model appear in a different environment. We want to make sure the prompt is not something generic like a woman standing in the kitchen. Instead, go for something like this. Down below, you can also select how many image variations you want. I'm going to go with 2, and here's the result. Now let's place here in the living room setting with a slightly different outfit. This time we don't need to upload all of the reference images again. We can just select one of the generated images, click edit with prompt and drop this prompt. And here's the result. Now, I quickly changed the prompt to place a serum bottle instead of a moisturizer in her hands and switch up the environment. As you can see, even though we changed outfits and locations, the face stayed consistent. Now we just need to turn these into actual videos. First, let's clone the voice from one of our original videos so the voice stays consistent across every clip. Click videos, click on the video, select clone voice, name the voice and complete the cloning. Now let's go back to images, select one of the images in a new environment and click generate video. This time I'm going to use the Riz model. Riz is a Max Fusion's lip syncing model exclusive to the platform, and it has one of the best lip syncing on the market right now. Once I select it, here I'm going to describe the emotion I want for the video, then click audio script and generate speech. I'm going to select text to speech and type in what I want her to say. Now let's click choose voice and select the voice we cloned. Go to my voices, select the voice, click confirm and then save audio. Then just click generate video.
Okay, I need to talk about this moisturizer. I used it for 2 weeks expecting nothing, and my skin texture actually changed.
I also animated this scene where the model holds a serum bottle in the bathroom, and here's the result.
I bought this serum fully expecting to return it. 2 weeks later, my pores are smaller.
And just like that, we have the same model in multiple different scenes with amazing consistency and top tier lip sync. But what if you could just take a viral ad that's already working and just remake it? And that's where Max Fusion really blew me away with their built-in copylab feature. You can literally take a winning ad in any language, whether it's German, French, Spanish, or English. Max Fusion supports 35 languages. And completely remake it with your own AI character and product without having to hire different UGC creators. Look, I know what some of you are thinking, but here's the thing. Every single major brand in the world studies what's working and builds on top of that. So I found this UGC video. Now inside Max Fusion, at the top right, click on Copy Lab. Keep in mind the maximum length is 2 minutes. Now what we want to do is extract the individual frames from the video. Think of each frame as a scene you're going to rebuild with your own AI character. Now, once I go to image section, I can find all of these frames here, but the problem is that these frames still show the original creator. So we need to change that. Down below, just select banana clone and then drag and drop the image you want to change. This will generate a completely new AI face while keeping the exact same pose, framing, and scene composition. Now to get all other scenes matching this new character, we use UGC Scene Builder. Just drag in your character reference image and then drag in each extracted scene, and Max Fusion places your character into that exact shot. One important thing here, if you want your own product to appear in the model's hands, just add a reference image of your product in the UGC Scene Builder. That way the final ad will feature your product instead of the one from the reference video. Once you've done this for all the scenes, you essentially rebuilt the whole ad with your own AI character and your own product. Now it's time to animate everything and turn it into actual video. For the talking head section where the character speaks directly to the camera, we're going to use Riz. Just click here, click generate video, select the Riz model, click on audio script and then generate speech. Add the text script for this specific scene, save it and click generate.
Look, you guys know how much I obsess over my tech, but the truth is your tech is only as good as what's powering it.
If there's one thing I never compromise on, it's my internet setup.
And for the B-roll shots, I'm going to use Clink or Seedance since these are the best models for B-roll. Now, once I finish doing that for all of the shots, I can put together the entire UGC ad to match the original. I made sure to swap the B-roll and update the script using Claude so the video doesn't look exactly the same. And here's the final result.
My entire life and business lives online. Uploading 4K footage, streaming, managing brand deals, and staying connected on my phone when I'm out in the city.
Between editing videos, jumping on calls, handling collaborations, and just living online basically every hour of the day, I need something that actually keeps up.
Pretty wild, right? And you can do this with any viral video in any niche. So if you want to start creating ads like this yourself, Max Fusion is literally a no-brainer. I'll leave a link for Max Fusion in the description below, along with a document containing all of the prompts I used throughout the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.